Encountering a YouTube TV playback error can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Here's what you can do. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is often the culprit. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong or switch to a wired connection for better stability. Restart your device. Power off your streaming device, smart TV, or gaming console, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches causing playback issues. Update the YouTube TV app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can lead to compatibility problems. Clear cache. Go to your device's settings, find the YouTube TV app, and clear its cache and data. This removes corrupted files that might be causing errors. Check YouTube TV status. Visit YouTube TV's status page to see if there's an ongoing outage affecting service. Switch streaming quality. Lower the video quality temporarily in the settings to see if slower internet speeds are causing the issue. Reinstall the app. If none of the above works, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube TV app to ensure a fresh start. These troubleshooting steps should help fix most playback errors. Let us know in the comments if this guide helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.